To 20-mile-an-hour winds a day, 30-degree temperature. We're underneath the house, and I'm 62. I came out of high school. I weighed 171 pounds, 6 foot, 171. Had like a 31-inch waist. Now at 62. Although I got like 20 pounds on me, I am 6'3", 280. So I should be 260. How did I go from 170 to 260? It's all pain. I didn't just keep growing and get real fat. It was muscle and hard work. Nothing but hard work. I'm doing concrete work. My dad was an electrician, but when I got out of high school, I went over to Austin, Texas and did concrete work. And then I went on to drywall, metal stud, and I worked hard every step of the way. So, if you're looking for somebody to sympathize with you, I can do that, but am I doing you any good? Are you getting the fortitude it takes to make it through tough times? Remember, the people that come over into this area, I'm in northwest Arkansas, they came from the East Coast in wagons. Animals are trying to get them at night, because they wanted to eat. They had to be tough, go through snow, high heat, walk, ride horses, ride wagons. Women might have to have 15 kids to have 3 that live, if they lived, because nobody knew to wash your hands in. Any kind of injury could kill you because you get an infection. So, how tough are we now? And how tough do we need to be to survive the future? Stop whining about all the tough jobs you have and start thinking about how tough you need to be to survive and how tough it takes a person to be successful. Think about it.